Today we're going to see about case study. The subject name is Financial Reports Standard and Analysis. Case study 1, Revenue Recognition. Scenario: Company A sales software subscriptions and recognition received over the subscription period at the end of the fiscal year. Company A has received advance payments for subscriptions that will started in the next fiscal year. Issue: the question is, should company A recognize the advance payment as revenue in the current fiscal year? Now we're going to see the solution. The solution is, according to generally accepted accounting principles GAAP, revenue should be recognized when it is earned and realizable. In this case, the revenue from the advance payment should not be recognized in the current fiscal year because the subscription service have not been provided yet. Instead, the advance payment should be recorded as a liability on the balance sheet. The revenue will be recognized proportionally as the subscription service are delivered over the subscription period. Now we're going to see the second case study question is, the case study is impairment of assets. Scenario: Company B owns a fleet of delivery vehicles. Due to changes in marketing conditions, the fair value of their vehicles has significantly decreased. The question is, should company B recognize an impairment loss for the decrease in the fair value of the delivery vehicle? Now we're going to see the solution is, solution: impairment of assets occurs when the carrying amount of an asset exceeds its recoverable amount, higher of fair value, less cost to sell the value in use. In this case, if the fair value of the delivery vehicles is now lower than their carrying amount, company B should recognize an impairment loss. The impairment loss is calculated as the difference between the carrying amount and the recoverable amount, and it should be recognized as an expense on the income statement. The carrying amount of the asset reduced on the balance sheet. Now we're going to see the third case study question is case study 3, leases. Scenario: Company C leases office space for its operations. The lease agreement includes both lease payments and maintenance services. The question is, issue: how should company C classify and account for the lease payment and maintain services? Now we're going to see the solution. Everyone got the question? I repeat, the question is, how should company C classify the account for the lease payment and maintain services? Now we're going to see the solution is, under the updated lease accounting standard, in the bracket ASC 842 or IFRS 16, under the section, lease are classified as their finance leases or operating leases. Finance leases are reduced on the balance sheet as assets and liabilities, while operating leases result in the lease expense recognition over the lease term. Maintenance service that are an intangible part of the lease. Example: routine maintenance are included in the lease payment. However, it is maintenance service are separate the distance from the lease. They should be accounted for separately. Thank you.